Hi Mirna, this from Parade of Beauty. How are you? You're so beautiful.
Thank you so much. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling so happy and excited. Malapit na po ang coronation night and I hope that everyone could watch it.
Wow.
How are you, Ma?
Ma talaga. Thank you. Congratulations to your performances during the preliminary competition. You slayed the runway, my gosh. So how long was your preparation for this? Your pasarela and everything?
I'll tell you something very honestly. Hindi po ako nag-rehearse ng pasarela. Wow. So everything was on the spot because I think I've been preparing for pageantry for the last 10 years of my life. So everything that I need to do is already here. Wow. So I don't need to polish my pasarela because I believe that my experience was enough teacher for me.
Wow, you did really great. Can you tell me the story behind of your outfit today?
Well, as you can see, it's a modern Filipiniana, and the fabric po is a traditional Filipino fabric. And the designer of this dress, of this beautifully crafted Filipiniana, is Rickson Mata. He's a rising designer from Magalang, Pampanga. Wow. And so thank you so much because I just gave him my idea for this dress and he make it happen. So maraming salamat po, Ma.
Wow, that's so nice. So, okay, we knew that you've waited for quite a bit long to compete here in Miss International. So, now that you're here, so how are you being so far? How the Miss International organization treated you?
So grateful. I don't know if you can read my aura, pero sobrang saya po ng mga experiences ko in Miss International, and I really believe and feel that this is where I'm meant to be.
Wow, that's so nice. And of course, the Binibining Pilipinas organization fully supported you here in Miss International here in Japan.
Oh,
that's so nice.
Yeah. Sobrang saya po na nakikita yung lahat ng support, not just with the Filipino but also the organization of Binibining Pilipinas. They've been supporting me and asking me kung anong mga kailangan ko nung una pa lang, and I'm so grateful to be doing this journey and sharing this journey with them, with Sir Hines, with Miss Pia, with Miss Viana, with Miss Irene. If I can only say all their names, maraming salamat po. I can feel your prayers. I can feel your best wishes from here. Thank you so much.
So a lot of Filipinos, it's like their focus is on you now. Yeah. They are supporting you, fully supporting you. So any message to all the Filipinos, not only in the Philippines but around the world that's supporting you?
First of all, thank you so much for believing in me, for seeing something in me that made you supported me. I really appreciate that. You know, before I could not believe that I'm really here. But with all your support, with all your messages for me na nababasa ko on social media, it made me believe that this is really happening in my life, that I'm really living one of my dreams. And thank you so much for supporting that dream and for walking it with me. Maraming salamat po. Until the end, I hope that you will stay.
Wow, you know what, Mirna? Ngayon lang kita nakita in person and seeing you during the preliminary. My gosh, ang ganga na loob ko sa'yo. Ang sarap mong ipaglaban. Gusto kong sumigaw, nagpipigil ako. Masikip ako ngayon. Kasi very intimate tayo dito. Pero pwede bang sumigaw? Hindi pwede, di ba? Ito na yung pasabog na tanong. So why should you be the next Miss International?
I think and I believe that it's about time for us to have another Filipina, a full-blooded Filipina Miss International from the Philippines to wear the Miss International crown. And being here in Miss International, I truly understand the values of the organization, and I'm so ready to share that responsibilities with the organization. And through my experiences, I know that I'm ready for everything that's about to happen. And I'm here not just for my own, but for every children in the Philippines whom I met along the way my journey. And this as my tribute to all the Filipinos to always believe in your dreams and to never be afraid to make it happen. Thank you.
Wow, ang galing-galing naman. Pwede bang koronahan na itong si Mirna ngayon? Nakakaloka. And of course, ang bait-bait ng organization, di ba? Talagang inaalagaan nila yung mga queens dito sa Miss International. Especially ang ating Sir Stephen na kababayan din natin na talagang hands-on. Nakita ko siya kanina, my gosh. Grabe siya mag-asikaso sa inyo. Talagang alagang-alaga. Baby niya kayong lahat. Di ba?
Opo, and I can attest na they're really here to support every woman and to cheer every woman. There's no such thing as favoritism here in Miss International. It doesn't matter what your background is or kung saan ka nang galing, what your skin color is. They will never make you feel that you're behind. But they always treat each and every one all the same. And like women are very special. They always make us feel that.
Wow, that's so nice. It's so nice here. At nakikita ko yan, yung mga sinasabi mo. I've seen that. And talagang sinusuportahan nila kayo dito, di ba? In fairness naman. At hindi sila mahigpit, in fairness, sa mga interview. And I love that, di ba? Congratulations to you. You slayed the runway earlier. You did so great. Ang lambot-lambot mo, sana all, di ba? Diyos
Thank
ko.
you so much po. Thank you for coming here.
Sure, Mirna. Hello.
Ikaw pa ba? O di ba? Ikaw pa ba?
Salamat. But of course, I want to thank the Filipino community here in Japan.
Wow.
Pumunta po sila ngayon here for Miss International Preliminary Competition. And also my Tita Olivia and Miss Myla. I want to
Ay, pakita daw si
thank
Tita
Miss
Olivia.
Myla.
Ito pala, ay, parang beauty queen din si Tita Olivia.
Miss Myla po.
O, ayan. O, Team Philippines. Wow. Ay, laban daw. O, diba?
Ito po sila, Sir P. The Filipino
Ayan.
community
O,
helped me
diba?
here.
Ito sila yung mga team ni ano. Ang dami. Ay, may gwapo. Sino yung gwapo?
Si Sir P. Barbusa is also a designer here in Japan po.
Ay, ang Sarah. Ang gwapo naman.
And Miss Steph.
Oo. Ay, hello. Hello po.
Here po si Miss Steph.
O,
And
diba?
also Miss Lay.
Oh, Miss Lay. Oh, wow.
Siya po yung nagpasuot sa akin na diamond.
Ay, ang taray.
Pwedeng
Ba't,
trauma na
oo, mayaman pala. Baka naman, te.
Thank you so much.
Ang taray. Ba't parang naiiyak ka na? Nagiging emotional ka na?
Huwag muna ang saya.
Any message sa family mo naman? Are they gonna be here?
Yes, my family are arriving tomorrow.
Oh, that's nice. Miss mo na sila.
Yes.
Ba't parang naiiyak ka na?
Emotional siya. Huwag mo paiyakin.
I'm pretty sure they are very very happy kung ano man ikaw ngayon. And yeah, and they are very proud of you.
We're here for you.
Ba't naiiyak ka, be? Ang ganda-ganda mo pa rin, in fairness. Ganda-ganda pa rin. O, diba? Ayan yung team ni ano. Ganda no. Diyosa si Mirna. Oo. Yan ang prototype ng Miss International, mga bakla kayo. Oo, correct. Yung mga hindi pa bumuboto dyan, alam nyo na ha. Oh, worth it ipaglaban si Mirna. Ang lambot-lambot. Diba? Diba? Ang ganda. Ang liit ng mga mukha, Bwex. Hindi ka tulad... Ang liit ang mukha ni Mirna. Ay, eto pala si Mirna. Ang ganda pala ni Mirna sa black. Charot. Ganda din. Thank you, Mirna, and good luck sa iyo. Okay.